Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, you will learn about the various concepts of economics in a short period of time. Let's start. Today we will study about the revenue curve under perfect competition market. We'll learn about the relationship between the total revenue curve, average revenue curve, and marginal revenue curve. So, first of all, we should know about the perfect competition market. Perfect competition is the market where there are large numbers of buyers and sellers. And in this market, the seller produces the homogeneous product. And there is a free entry and exit of the firm. So in this market, the number of buyers and the sellers is very large. So no single buyer and the seller can influence the price of the market. So in this market, the price of the commodity is determined by the market, that means demand and supply. And all the firms in the market, they sell their product at the price determined by the market. So firms in this market or in the perfect competition market, they are the price taker. So in perfect competition market, the price is constant, which is determined by the market force of demand and supply. So let's understand this concept with the help of this table. And in this table, the first column shows the units of output, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let us suppose the price of the product determined by the market is 10. So the price per unit is rupees 10. Then that means price of each unit is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. That means in the perfect competition market, the price of the every units, that is remain constant. So in the third column, we have total revenue, and we all know that total revenue is the product of price and quantity sold. That means TR is P into Q. Price we have is 10 and the quantity sold is 0. 10 into 0 is 0. Now 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70. Here, when there is no output sold, then the total revenue is 0. As the units of the output sold increase, then the total revenue also increase, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. That means the total revenue increases at the constant rate as the price is constant, which is 10 in this table. So after getting the value of total revenue, we can easily obtain the average revenue and the marginal revenue. And we know that the average revenue is total revenue divided by the quantity sold. That means in the first 0 unit of output, here we have to put dash, and for the first unit where the total revenue is 10 and the quantity sold is 1, so 10 divided by 1 is 10, 20 divided by 2 is 10, 30 divided by 3 is 10, similarly 10, 10, and 10, and 10. That means in the perfect competition market, the value of average revenue for each unit sold is also constant, which is 10, and the average revenue is equals to the price. And in the fifth column, we have the marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is obtained by dividing the change in total revenue by the change in quantity sold. That means here the first unit of total revenue is 10, and for the 0 unit total revenue is 0. So 10 minus 0 is 10. That means the marginal revenue of the first unit is 10, and similarly 20 minus 10 is 10, 30 minus 20 is 10, 40 minus 30 is 10, 10, 10, and 10. That means in the perfect competition market, the value of AR and MR is same, and it is constant, and the total revenue increases at the constant rate of marginal revenue, which is 10 in this question. So after this table, we can show the total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue with the help of the graph here in the right side, or in the x-axis we have to take the quantity, and in the y-axis we have to take the total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. So the quantities is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And on the y-axis, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we will plot this units of output and total revenue. Here, first point is 0, comma 0, 1, comma 10, 2, comma 20, 3, comma 30, 4, comma 40, 5, comma 50, 6, comma 60, and 7, comma 70. Joining all these points, we obtain the total revenue which starts from the origin, and it increases as the unit of output sold increases, and it increases at the constant rate of rupees 10. So after plotting the points for total revenue, now plot the points, units of output and the average revenue. Here 1, comma 10, 2, comma 10, 3, comma 10, 4, comma 10, 5, comma 10, 6, comma 10, 7, comma 10. We will obtain the line AR, average revenue, AR. Now, similarly, if we plot this units of output and the marginal revenue, it is become the same line. That is, the marginal revenue coincides with the average revenue curve. So, in the perfect competition market, average revenue AR equals to MR equals to P. Here, the average revenue, marginal revenue curve in the perfect competition market, they are constant, and the average revenue curve and the marginal revenue curve is horizontal parallel to the x-axis. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.